Hello everyone. I attended an interview in a company called Central Electricity Authority of India CEA, and the company location was New Delhi, and the interview date was the November 11, 2025. So the first question they asked me, hooks in CodeIgniter. So in CodeIgniter 4, hooks are replaced by the events. Events in CodeIgniter 4 are triggered actions that execute custom code at specific points in the application's lifecycle. Applications life cycles, like before or after a controller runs. They help in the logging, authentication, and performance monitoring without modifying the core files. So events in CodeIgniter 4 are like triggers that let you know that you run specific code at precise moment. For example, before a page loads, after a user logs, without changing the original code. Think of them as alarm you set to perform task automatically when something happens. So the simple analogy is, imagine your app is a pizza delivery. An event is like saying when the oven timer rings, that is the event. Automatically send a text to the customer, that is your custom code. So the example to remember, so the scenario is, show a under maintenance page before any page loads. So define the events in CodeIgniter for events double colon on pre-controller function. If config app maintenance mode, so redirect to maintenance and then exit. So how it works? When someone tries to visit your site, CodeIgniter checks the event before loading any page. If maintenance mode is true, it redirects to the maintenance page. So key trigger points easy to recall. Pre-system before the app start, pre-controller before a page controller loads, post-controller after a page finishes loading. Okay, so we have three things: pre-system, pre-controller, and post-controller. So remember, events do this, that happens. So for example, inside your htdoc server, you have a local host and then one directory event demo and then auth then register. Okay, another you have the event demo, auth and login. So then checks in, register a user. So host 8080 auth register and then login slash login. So checks logs, database table, logins logs and log file writable logs. So 8080 when using PHP Spark serve. So localhost event demo auth register in the browser, okay, and localhost event demo auth slash login. So the conclusion is, added authentication, that is register login, used hooks events to log login attempts, and stored login attempts in the database. So the second question they asked me, 50 rows in a product name and we have to add same suffix in all the rows. So how would you do that? Let us suppose you have one uh, table name product, and you have some columns like the product name. Okay, let us suppose you have one id column and another column is the product name. Now what you have to do is, you have to add es in the end of the all the products name, not in the column name but in the records. So the first of all, here we will use the update query. So update product, set product name equal to concat in the bracket product underscore name, comma, in single inverted comma, es. Okay, so let us suppose there is there is already one string which is using the es. So in that case, how do you avoid double es? So if there is a chance some records already end with es, use this safer version. Update product, set product name equal to concat product underscore name yes, where product name not like and then es ampersand es. Question number third, he asked me, you have a integer 1 or you have a number 13345, add this with the use of the function. Okay, so I have this number 13345, so if I add this 4 7 11, so the output should be 16. So this we have to do by using the functions in PHP. So let us suppose we have dollar number equal to 13345, dollar split equal to str underscore split, in the bracket dollar number, now print r dollar split, then dollar sum equal to array underscore sum dollar split, and then echo sum. So it will give the output of 16. Another question they asked me, trait in PHP. So PHP does not support multiple inheritance directly because a class in PHP can inherit from only one parent class. So this restrictions avoids the complexities and the ambiguities of the diamond problem, which can occur in the multiple inheritance scenarios. For example, you have one logger, trait logger, public function log dollar message, and echo log dollar message. Second, trait modifier, public function notify dollar message, echo notification dollar message. Then class user, use logger notifier, public function create user dollar name, echo user dollar name created. This log created user and this notify use dollar name has been added. Now dollar user equal to new user and dollar user create user equal to alias. So the output will be user alias created, log created user alias, and notification user alias has been updated or added. The fifth question they asked me, abstraction. Abstractions refers to providing essential feature without including background details or explanation. So simple PHP example, abstract class vehicle, abstract public function start engine only shows what to do. Child class provides the hidden implementation. So class car extends vehicles, public function start engines, and echo engines start with the key. So the dollar my car equal to new car and my car equal to start engine. So the summary is, abstraction hides logic. You can't see how it works, but you can use it. So this was the interview in a company, Central Electricity Authority of India, CEA, and the company location is New Delhi, and the interview date was the November 11, 2025. So I will share more interview question with you. Till then, bye.